Kia ora. So we're going to make some ginger crunch today. You have to learn to bake too. Carry it on.
Ko whitire te maunga, ko pariroa toku awa, ko tainui te waka, ko raukawakawa te moana, ko Ngāti Toa te iwi, and my nan is great because she's kind and she's caring and she makes a really good food.
So we are now going to cook. So I'm putting butter in a pot, a pound of butter, a couple of caps full of vanilla essence. I picked Ginger Crunch because it means a lot with my nana and with Graham, my husband's nana, and they used to make it when we were young. On the stove, put the other ingredients in. 2 cups of flour. Crikey, you make it so many times, eh? It just rattles off. Been married nearly 50 years now and I've been making it ever since. God, no wonder we all got sweet tooth and 10-ton tesses. Now we've got sugar in it, coconut. Now we've got some wheat mixer. Nana used to bake every weekend. She used to do baking for the week. Baking that she used to do was thrifty baking. I suppose in those days when they, couldn't get butter, couldn't get sugar, for their baking in wartime and that. Yeah, that photo there is my mother. That's her on the left there, and that's me behind her. I think I must have been about 4 then. And that's my grandmother, the one that made she used to make the ginger crunch and shortbread. Mum died in 1960. She died when I was 5 years old. And she's buried in Waipapa, Urupa in Waicha, because she's from there, Te Atiawa. Nanny Floss didn't bring Dad up. Granny Waipati, she was, pretty well-known koe here in Takapuā here. So she brought Dad up. And they used to do food parcels. And they used to send them all over to the boys. They used to have sort of like working bees down the marae and do all kai for them, especially around Christmas time and that, and pack up all the cake tins with all goodies and that for them. And they used to do some of this, and shortbread was a favourite that used to go, and yeah, send all that over to them. And I think at the time Dad might have been in Italy at that time. Adding the butter. You going to come and have a look at this? Oh, I'll tip it in and you can mix some if you like. You have to get the right consistency.
That looks nice.
Smells nice, eh?
Yeah.
Real comfort food. And the whānau, they just love it every time when we have a tangi and stuff. Because that goes down really well and everybody loves it, and it's going to, whānau that we love, of the people that have passed away. So Matariki for me is a time when we can get together as a whānau, whether it be for food or just catching up and talking about how, what we've been doing. But it's, it's a beautiful time. And also the meaning of Matariki and thinking about, as I say, our whānau that have passed on. Yeah, which a lot of them have, yeah. Huh?
Making the frosting.
Yeah, icing.
Oh yeah, icing.
So 6 golden syrup. Okay. So yeah, that's all done. There we go. Ginger crunch.
That looks nice.
Look at that, Jessa George.
Yeah.
You can have the spoon when I finish.
Oh yes. Another thing. Oh. I'll take licking honey off a stick.
Bon appetit. Ka pai te kai. It's a sweet treat for Matariki.
The world needs more couriers because us workers aren't going to spoil ourselves.